Hello, my dear lovely NEET 2024 aspirants. I have great news for all of you that NTA has updated provisional answer key in their official website, and now they're asking you to challenge any discrepancies in the provisional answer key, or if you feel that they have shared the scanned OMR answer sheet of yours in your official email address. So just check it, and if you feel that your answer is correct and NTA, the provisional answer key of NTA has some error, you can challenge it, right? So what is the process? Let's see in detail. So when we see this is the public notice from NTA, challenge of the provisional answer key, display of scanned images of OMR answer sheet, and display of the recorded responses for for NEET 2024, right? So now you just see you have to visit the website which is given over here. So yes, this is the website, examnta.ac.in/NEET. So you have to visit this website. And if you want to, if you feel that any answer has some error and the better answer and the answer, so you can obviously solve that answer, scan the document or scan that answer, and just to log in. I will be telling you the whole process, right? You will just upload it and challenge the answer key. So kids, see, if you feel any discrepancies in the NTA provisional answer key, you can challenge it. You have to, give the 200 rupees processing fee, which is non-refundable. You will not get it. And even they won't say that if it's acceptable or rejected directly, if their bunch of the expert will be checking for the answer, right? They will just review the answer. And if they feel that, you have challenged the answer and it is the correct solution, then they will be updating all the answers, and, accordingly, they will update the marks of all the candidates, right? So those kids who have actually marked that answer. So next is recorded response challenges. So if you feel that in your AMR answer sheet you have filled the right answer but provisional answer key is not correct, so you can challenge that also. For that also you have paid the 200 rupees. So this date started 29th May, that means yesterday, and last date is tomorrow, that is 31st May 2024 by the 11:50 p.m. right? So you can just fill this form, or you can just start this process of challenging the answer key by this time itself. This is the deadline. After that, no responses will be submitted. Make sure that you are submitting it by 31st May up to 11:50 p.m. So, to facilitate the candidate, scanned image, as I have already told you, right? Scanned image of OMR answer sheet has been sent on the registered email address given by the candidate at the time of submission of the online application form, and candidate are being given an opportunity to make online challenge against the provisional answer key, as I have told you, right? And you have to pay non-refundable fee, that is 200 rupees per answer challenged. So suppose you feel that 4 answers, you want to challenge the 4 answers of the provisional NTA from the provisional NTA answer key, so you have to pay 200 rupees for each challenge per answer challenged, right? And then candidate can also submit representation against the OMR grading by paying a non-refundable. So again, if you feel that there is any discrepancies in the answer key and you have filled the correct answer, you want to challenge the question, so obviously you can do that, and for that also you have to pay the 200 rupees, right? And I have told you what is the deadline. After that, no responses will be submitted. 31st May, so just note this date, and make sure that you are actually challenging, doing all the work, and I will be telling you what is the process, right? So you are just doing all the work before this time. Next, when we talk about the okay, so I have told you that the answer that you are challenging will be verified, will be reviewed by the panel of the subject expert, and if the challenge of any candidate is found correct, then what will happen? Answer key will be revised and applied in the response of all candidates accordingly. Those kids who actually have marked the correct answer, they will be given the full marks, right? And based on the revised answer key, right? Based on the revised answer key, after all the correction, it will be used to prepare the final answer key to declare the result. So that means your challenges do matter here, right? So the result will be prepared and declared accordingly. So no individual candidate will be informed about the acceptance and non-acceptance of his or her challenge. But yeah, finalized key will be, the key will be finalized by the expert after the challenge will be final. No challenge will be accepted after this deadline, as I'm telling you, right? So what exactly you have to do? You have to visit www.nta.ac.in, or you have to visit this link, right? So it's on the screen, plus we will add also in the in the comment here in the in this video below the comments, right? So you can check for the link. You will be visiting this website, and then for further clarification, you can call on this number or you can mail at this particular email ID in case you are having any issues. Right? And next, what are the processes? So this is the whole procedure for challenging the answer key. So first of all, you have to visit the website that I have already told you, and we will mention it in the below also, right? Below this video in the comment box. So this is the website you have to visit. Apply for the answer key challenge. You will be getting this, this particular key there, right? So you will be clicking the apply for answer key challenge. Select the text booklet code that you actually appeared, right? So suppose you are having certain booklet code, just mention it, and then log in with your application number and date of birth, right? So you know the application number and date of birth, enter the security pin, displayed and submit. And then finally you can challenge it, right? So NEET question, 50-50 question in each subject, physics 50, physics 50, chemistry 50, botany and zoology. So, and then after that, what exactly you have to do? Number next to the question under the column correct option stand for the most appropriate answer key to be used by the NTA. So actually you will be having this option there, right? So you will be, choosing the question that you want to challenge, and plus you can just write down the correct answer or upload some supported documents also, right? So if you wish to challenge this option, you may use any one of the more options given in the 4 columns by clicking the check. And you may want to upload supporting documents, you can do that, right? All the documents to be put in a single PDF file, or the question that you are actually challenging. So after clicking your desired option for physics, chemistry, botany, zoology for NEET 2024, save your claim and move to the next screen. So you will see the screen displaying your challenge, save your claim, pay the fee finally, and select mode of payment. So you have to pay 200 rupees per question for each question challenge. Make payment through debit card, credit card or net banking. After successful payment, download or print the answer key receipt. And if they feel that, then obviously I have told you that all the experts will be checking for the correct answer. If they accept it, they will be making changes and your marks will be upgraded accordingly, right? So procedure for challenge of OMR sheet, grading and recorded response. So if you want to challenge the OMR sheet, so it was for the question challenge. So if you feel that, provisional OMR sheet having some issues and you want to challenge their answer key, then that was the process for that. And even for the OMR sheet, the same process. If you feel that your answer is correct, but NTA has given the wrong answer, you want to challenge it, you can do that, right? So, you have to visit again the same website, again the same thing, application number and date of birth. OMR challenge, you will be getting the option in the profile itself, OMR challenge. You will be clicking on the OMR challenge link, and then again the same process, as you can see, right? So again the same process. So suppose you want to, make any changes in any of the subjects or want to, challenge any question from any of the subject, you have to choose accordingly. You have to submit the 200 rupees and then you have to download the print the answer key that you actually challenged, right? So this is the whole process. So don't if you feel that there is some discrepancies in the answer key or in your OMR sheet, you can actually claim for the challenge, right? So perhaps it's gonna give you the marks and it's gonna help other students also getting the more marks. So what are you waiting for? Do it if you are confident that whatever you have done is correct and whatever you know is correct. So just challenge their provisional answer key, and then accordingly they will change the final answer result also, right? And let me take you to the official website also. They are showing some errors in the official website. So don't worry at all, because you can claim your challenges, till 31st of the May. That means till tomorrow. So don't worry at all. Because of high traffic, it might be showing the error. So when you actually visit the website and click this link, it is showing some error. So don't worry at all if it's showing error, right? Because again, I have told you, because of high traffic, people are trying to, log in the website. So that's why it's happening, right? So kids, just wait for the error to get resolved soon, right? And don't worry at all, it will be resolved by the evening or by the morning. And when the traffic is less, you can actually visit the website, because traffic is so high, that's why it's showing error. Don't worry at all, right?